Hi everyone. Right, this is the blue kit and I'm going to start. There's only 2 available. I've only done 2 of each this time. Mainly because I wanted to get some kits out. I've been having people asking me, where's the kits, where's the kits? So these are to put people on until I get the rest done. So this is a large piece of the crushed velvet in blue, navy blue. A large 8x4 tag. You're getting a piece of satin material. Just cutting trimmings off, and it's a, you know, like, it's not neat on the end. It's like frayed a little bit. I don't want to do any more to it than what's already like that, but it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. The ribbons, again, I've done the navy blue and the pale blue in the organza. You've got the wired satin ribbon. You've got, the wired silk ribbon, the double-sided satin ribbon. Let's have a look. What have we got here? Right, it's a flower trim, you know, so you can cut these individually, and that's the larger flower. Some zigzag, I was going to say, some rick-rack. The Chinese braid, this is the new one, the small one. These make absolutely beautiful flowers, the smaller one. So you've got that. I put a tub of seed beads in, because again, they look stunning if they're hand stitched into a flower or in and around your pearls that you're using and things like that. Now, I've put the crocheted trim in. This is the new one, the deep gathered, really super soft lace. And there's over a yard of each one, a yard or more, let's put it that way. Then we've got the dark navy blue and the turquoisey blue of the chenille. One's got a white flower, one's got a crocheted blue flower. You've got the white and the edged, it's edged in pale blue on the eyelet trim. And then you've got the Nottingham lace, which is the powder blue. I've added a handmade flower. This one will be slightly different to the other one. It'll have a pearl in the middle and a dangle, you know, like a little pearl drop. A blue doily, and it's made from gross grain as well. You're getting 2 blue hearts. In this, oh, let's have a look. This one, you're getting the handmade flowers I did the other night. 2 of the powder blue rolled ribbon flowers, and a little bit of pearl trimming. And this one, let's just have a quick look. So you've got the beaded trim. You've got a pack of 12 tiny blue ribbons. Some a long, so it's about as long as that, tassel, navy blue tassel. And then you've got the seam binding in powder blue. So that's that. And then in this packet, the star flower, a large hook so you can make a dangle. You've got the blue cluster, rolled ribbons, 2 is it 2? Maybe 2, don't know, let's have a look. No, 1 of those pictured cabochons that I make. 3 of the blue ovals, so just put your beaded trim. That beaded trim looks fantastic around those for decoration. And you've also got the new one that came in today, which is that one as well. And then you've got 6 small ribbon roses. So you've got all of that, and that is the new blue kit. So there's plenty to do, a tag and lots of flowers. So really nice kit, and loads to play with. And I'm sure when you've done the tag, you're going to have heaps left over. So that's the blue kit. And there's 2 available. And if you want them, go grab them now. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.